Hi, my name is Adam Kowalski, and I am here to introduce myself for the summer semester. Super looking forward to doing this class. Um, I've always been a bit more talented on the hardware side of things when it comes to computers, so getting more in-depth knowledge of the software things and some of the shortcuts is really exciting. I mean, system administration is what I'm trying to get into. It's something that I kind of did unofficially in the military, so I'm looking forward to actually becoming more proficient and actually professionally trained. I like to hike. Uh, I actually grew up in Arizona, so used to the mountains and canyons, but Wisconsin's got a lot of forests, which I love. I like to drive. Don't really have a good driving car right now, so that not really something I do much right now. That and the cost of gas is just crazy. I like to build computers. I kind of taught myself, as scary as that probably sounds to some people. And I enjoy cooking and playing video games, hence building computers. And that's it.